accidentally knocked down a pig's house with a sneeze. Now all of a sudden people are telling stories about you. And now this little girl with her Red Riding Hood. Who knows what they're going to say about this one. I have self-esteem issues too. Everyone's always going around saying, oh, what big nose you have and what big teeth you have. It hurts. I just want to go somewhere where I won't bother anyone. They're always promising happy endings, but where's my happy ending? All that seems to be reserved for princesses and cute little animals. Especially bunnies. Why are rabbits always getting happy endings? They're rodents, I tell you. Rodents. Did I press record? Oh, good.